some presses on $10 just to see if the feature does.
Oh, that's one credit, isn't it?
Yeah,
that's right.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Come on. Come on, Autumn. Be good, be good, be good. Oh. Come on. This is so loud. Come on. Come on, come on. Oh, come on, balls. Come on. Wow, we've really picked a dud, haven't we? One. Oh my gosh, come on.
Just go to 800. Come on. Where's the means? Okay.
This machine pays for other
Change
people.
the denom. We'll go to 5. See what happens.
Come on, 2. Oh wow. Come on, 2.
I mean, the grand jackpot's on 52,000.
Yeah, there's a progressive.
Oh, it's not.
Gee whiz, it's dead as a doornail. Come on. Oh. Well, I don't know. Jeez, where are the balls?
Wow.
Okay, should we just, no, seriously, come on. Come on.
What are you going to do? You want to move?
Yeah, just hold a sec. Okay, so guys, we moved our $700 ticket over to a Ninja Moon. They're the progressives. All the way up there. Okay, let's go. Oh my gosh, honey. And there's the lady in the middle there. Come on. Oh my god. Right, we're in another one. Let's go. Oh, didn't do the Mr. Hampane one, did it? Oh, gee whiz. Oh my gosh, come on, really? $30. Today's not a good day so far. Hopefully it will improve. Okay, $5 bonus. Finally got the balls for the first time. Let's see what we get. Come on, bring a progressive. Come on. Oh my gosh, anything. Wow. back in if we get anything. We're in for a $15 bonus. We're on 5 lines, $1 denom. Let's go. Something line up. Come on. Oh my god.
You're joking. Seriously?
What's that? $51. Wow. And we started with 30. Straight across. Oh, now look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh, come on. Straight across, straight across. Only on 3 lines. 1? No. Okay. So what's that? 68. Right, we finally got a ball feature on the Genghis Khan. Come on, progressives, progressives, come on. Come on, one more, one more. Come on, come on, one more. Alright, 2 more baby balls, that'll be fine. Come on. One more, come on. Wow. Oh, $3, well done. Okay. Again, hopefully we'll get a progressive this time. Come on. Come on, keep going. One more. Oh, come on. Oh, minor went through. Come back. Come on. Thank you. Come on, minor, come back. Oh, come on. Oh. Come on, one more, one more. No. Wow, not even a mini. Hard day at work today. Come on. One more. Oh. It's not the 4 trigger curse. Come on. Be good. Come on. Oh my gosh. First castle. $56, yeah. Oh, and now look what happens. Oh my god, the next press. Seriously? Gee whiz, okay. Come on, progressives. Come on, drop. We saw the minor before with 4. Can it come back? Come on. Major's $7.59. Oh wow, come on. One, just one, come on. One, no. All babies again. In again, we did try 200 on $10, but didn't want to come. Put another 100 in and the game's come. So fingers crossed. Come on. Come on, train. Come on. No. Come on, numbers. one, just one. Oh my god. $27. Pretty standard today. Okay, we've got a $5 feature. Dragon Train, they're the progressives. Oh, you needed a man there. Wow, come on. So 3, 4. Come on, 2 more. Uh-oh. Men, yeah. Wow. What's going on here? No numbers. What is it?
61.
61. Okay. Put it down and the game feature comes up. Come on. Progressive. Come on. No, still nothing. Lucky I've got a $25 ball. Jeepers. It's a sad day here today. Oh, 67. Okay. These are better numbers. They can keep going. That'd be great. Thank you. Come on. Oh, come on. Keep going. One more. Thank you. Come on. Thank you. Come on. One more. One more. No. Look, that's okay. For $2.50, I'm happy with that. Oh, you're on 10. Jeez. Okay. Okay. Oh, look at that on $2.50. Are you joking? $3.42. Wow. Maybe I should have kept it up. Oh well. Okay. I might change it now. Just in case. I probably missed it. See what we get. I'll come back if I get anything. Oh, got another feature. Come on, progressives. Come on. Come on, one more. Thank you. Oh, mini, thank you. Come on. What about the train? Can the train drop? Come on. One more. One more. No. Ay, ay, ay. Okay. Okay. Try again. $1 denom, $5 bet. Come on. Oh, come on. Just one, just one. Oh my lord. Oh, it's been a tough day today. Okay. 55. In for a $2.50 game. Come on, just one. One with the train. Come on, come on, come on. Oh my gosh. What, the middle one? Middle soldier. Exciting. In again, we've got 4 symbol trigger. Hopefully that won't ruin our chances, if you know what I mean. Come on. Oh, 1 in the middle. Wow. What is going on today? It's called the 4 symbol, what's it called? The 4 symbol. Oh shit, I can't even remember. Anyway, it's bad luck. 8 minute again. Off we go. Oh, come on, just 1. Come on, be nice, be nice, be nice. Thank you.
You're in, you got 10 of them. 5 more to go for 50,000.
I just like a progressive at this stage for the train. Come on, let's go.
Mini.
Yeah. Come on. Oh, come on. Keep going. 1 more. Wow. Probably because it started with so many, maybe. I don't know. I don't know. Come on.
You've got class play.
No, I hate it. Yeah. Alright, so we've got 3 more games.
Might get it again.
Hopefully. Come on, 2 more with the train. Or a minor? No. Oh wow. See, 1 in the middle again. Yeah, 1 in the middle. Oh, just 1. Come on, be good. Be nice, be nice. Oh my gosh. 123. Okay. Okay, we moved machines. These are the progressives. 250 bonus. Yeah, let's see what we can get. Hopefully. Come on. Bring a progressive. Come on. Oh, come on. 3 more purple. Oh, come on. Another purple. Come on. Oh, come on. 1 more. Come on. No. Okay. Just that up to 35. Anyway, here we are. We're in again. Come on. Oh gosh. Okay, come on. Oh jeepers, come on. Oh no, come on. Land in the purple, yes? Come on. Thank you. 1 more purple. Come on. Alright, we've got the purple. That's good. Can we get any more? Come on. Something big. Come on. All babies, aren't they? Come on. Oh my gosh. What the hell? It's a baby sort of day today. Oh. Come on. No. Alright. Well, we've got a chance. So we're at 45, but we get to play again. So let's see. Hopefully a progressive will drop this time. Come on. No purples. 1. Okay, come on. 2. Come on. Oh. Come on, one more. One more. No, that's it. Oh well, not to worry. Alright, let's see. 45 plus. Alright, 115. That's not too bad on 250. Got another game. Now I've got to remember. Oh yeah, this one. I'm going to do 5 and just hope for the best. Oh, one more ace. Oh. Come on. Is that for queens? Come on, men. Oh. Damn. 112, that's okay. 142. Shit, that's alright, isn't it? That's okay. Okay, we're in again, 250. I really wish we did our $50 spins on this game. Oh well. What can you do? What can you do? Oh, nice. Come on, 2 more. Oh. 1, come on. Oh, one more chance. Oh well, not to worry. 45. He's turned up, he's going to do the lucky press. Okay, thanks, Joe. Come on, bring us a progressive, will you? Come on.
Come on.
You press it again.
Major. Here we go. Watch this, guys.
Yep. Come on, something big.
See? Oh, I thought it was a major, just missing a couple of zeros.
Come on. Oh,
Your turn, Andrew.
Come on, Andrew.
Here we go.
Come on, Andrew.
Come on, let's go.
All right, at least you got a purple one. Oh, sorry, Joe, that was your
That's
go.
all right.
All right, your turn.
Jumped in.
It's about sharing, so.
Oh, good one.
there we go.
Gee.
2.
Oh, Andrew got 2. Oh, Andrew got 3. Oh, all right.
Here we
Come
go.
on, Joe. Come
Big
on.
green one, look. Okay, Joe's gone.
Oh, God. Come on, one more. Come on. One. Oh, no, that's it. Oh, gee whiz. Oh, 97. Look, I can't complain. As I say, I just wish we did our bigger bets on this machine because it's been more active. Oh, well, you never know. All right, we're in. I changed the denom, dollar denom. Just really hoping a progressive, maybe the minor might come. All right, does anyone want to press it? Do you want to press it, Andrew? Andrew or Joe? Come on. Oh, he's a bit camera shy, but his hand's all right.
15. See if I can
All right,
pick 15.
Andrew's turn.
25.
Come on. Oh, my turn. Come on. Oh, I've got nothing.
Close in.
You're up.
Close
I reckon
them.
you'll get them. Like,
Oh, all right. Do you reckon?
Yeah,
Oh,
I reckon
$5. Come on, bigger balls, please, boys. Whose turn? No, it's Joe's turn. Your turn. All right, you got a
That's
purple.
all right.
That's
That's still
okay.
a
Come on,
spin.
my turn. Oh, $5,
Mandy
Mandy.
wants some big
I
balls.
reckon you'll get
I just want some coloured balls. That's all.
reckon this
Bring
time
the
you'll get
coloured
it.
balls. Come on. Oh,
there you
good.
go.
Well done. Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, 2. Oh,
Need 2 more. Come on, Andrew.
come on.
Come on, 50.
Oh, Joe, come on. One more. Oh no, my turn. All right. Oh yeah.
Yes, got it.
We got that. All right.
Got it.
Okay. All right.
Feel a mini coming up.
All right.
Mini.
Do it together then, boy.
Just touch my hand.
Oh, you touched mine.
Drink now.
You,
Oh God. Oh, come on. Where are the coloured ones? Come on. Orange and
The small one.
green and blue.
That's all right, 2 more, Joe.
Hey,
Come
look,
on.
2 more. I just realised it's on
You've still got 2 more
34,000.
spins.
Oh, is it my turn?
No, it's it. Choose
Oh,
yours.
and then mine. All right. Come on.
Come on, one more.
Oh no, mine. Oh, I got the last one. Oh, come on. One. Oh.
spins.
Oh, but we got it again, haven't we?
Get to do it again.
All right. Well, maybe we'll get a progressive
Isn't it door
now.
quick?
No.
Oh
it
yeah,
used to
yeah,
be
yeah, it does. Yeah, yeah. If you press that, yeah.
140, and then you'll get another 140. That's 280 minimum.
No, because the 50's gone.
Oh,
Yeah.
You get the 50 here. Watch.
All right. Oh, all right.
Back in it.
There's a 5. But you
Come
got
on,
another
Andrew.
one.
Oh,
told
50.
you.
Oh. All right.
Press.
Oh, Joe, you've upset him.
He's gone.
Oh, keep pressing as long as you
Trigger
get them.
happy here.
Oh, yes, come on. Oh,
going,
please.
keep
Oh,
going,
oh
Joe.
God, please.
Hey,
Oh,
wait a
come
sec.
on.
If I get that one, what do I get?
You get 10%.
10%. What's that? $800.
No,
Yeah.
no, 3,400.
Oh, is it?
Oh.
Come on.
Come on.
Come on. One more.
Oh,
Come on.
It's up to you, Andrew.
Come on. All right.
Come on. Let's go. One more. Imagine that.
Oh, purple.
Oh.
Oh.
Still, that's not bad.
Yeah.
There's
Yeah,
another
no, I'm happy with that.
140 there.
So it's at 325.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Go home while you're up.
Well, we're up. All right. Happy with that. We will keep going. If we get anything else, we'll come back in. So we're going to try again.
That's right. You should have come here earlier.
Yes, Joe, I think, has brought the luck. He's just turned up. Oh, come on. 2 more purple. Come on, baby. Come on. You want to press it, darling?
Come on, let's go.
Come on, lucky pushes. Oh, honey. 1. Oh, no. Oh, come on. Just one. Oh, no. Oh, that's a bit disappointing. But not to worry. At least we got it quick. Okay, we'll keep going if we get something else.